Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to convert rows to columns in Microsoft Excel. So I will type here month names, so I have typed, you can see 6 months. Okay, now this is first row. Okay, and in second row, now for example 1 2 3. So this is, I'm just creating dummy content to explain actually how we can convert rows into columns. So the one values like in January 5 6 7 1 2 and 4, and then 7 8 4 6 5 4, and here. Okay, now these values I have also typed. So what we will do, we will select this content and we will copy from here. Now if I want to paste here, so simple, we can paste from here, but you can see here a down arrow. So you will click this arrow and here you can see these are different paste options: paste values and other paste options. So we will use in second line, you can see here transpose. See, these are different paste options. So what we will do, transpose. So transpose, now you can see it has been converted into columns. So first these were 4 rows, you can see, and now you can see January, February, March, April, May, June, these month names you can see in one column. Then one value, see 5 6 7 1 2 4 5 6 7 1 2 4. Now you can see these values of this row in this column. Same, this row values you can see in this column. And third, the last fourth row, actually the name of this row I typed 3, so this row values you can see in this column. So see how easily we can convert the rows into columns in Microsoft Excel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.